They all tell me calm down. I just lost my mind and I think it's too late. Living on the run now. I just pray to God that I'll get it today. Living isn't fun now. Only thinking down.
6, 7, 8. Guess what, guys? We know how to count.
That's what the card's gonna be. Okay. Oh, you made me lose count.
Oh yeah, I don't have a diffuse card.
Don't?
No.
These have not been shuffled.
I know. Yeah, okay. Guys, I would just like to say,
Hey guys, I just like to say
And now I would like to present to you us struggling to figure out how to put stuff in the box.
Hey.
Put cards there.
Hey, don't do that. Arr.
Turn them sideways, mister. Hey, you need to turn them sideways because we're going to have to get into these cards. Come on. You should know that by now. They're going to see all the veins in my head. My hand.
Oh, why don't you just separate the box? We should just do this.
The boxes are separate.
Yeah, you separated that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, this is where the little discard pile should go.
I got it.
And this is where the... Okay, good. Yeah, what are you doing? It was just there. What are you doing? Me.
See the future. Okay. I don't know where to throw it.
Just put it in. See the future card.
Do I have to draw?
Yeah.
It was just up top. It fell down. There it is.
Oh, dude, that's 2 exploding kittens.
Put it down at the bottom. Don't go down there. You go.
Okay, it's my turn, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm gonna do
Hairy potato
is I got 3 here. I'm gonna need you to give me your I want your skip card if you have one.
I have a better one for you.
Oh yeah, see the future. I'll take it. All right, it's your turn.
My turn. Hey, do you mind if I get that diffused?
Oh come on.
Give me that diffuse.
Here you go.
Alright, go.
I'm gonna do see the future.
Oh,
So I'm gonna see the next 3 cards. I hate. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw, and now it's your turn to try to die again.
No, you know. Yeah, give me one of your cards.
There you go.
You know what I want to do?
What?
I want to skip.
You gonna skip? All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say nope, and then back to your turn.
Oh no! Please don't be! Shut up.
Oh wait, I was supposed to pause that. Hey.
No, keep it in there. Keep it in there.
I'll keep it in there.
Yeah, they need to hear cream soda makes me cream.
Cream soda makes me cream.
Zach, you'll be in next. They're gonna see Zach's dirty toe.
Yeah, that's what they're seeing currently on the side. Is that his dirty toe?
All right, you ready?
All right, well now we're chilling here with Redneck Jesus and Bapex Wolf with his dirty little toe.
All right, so whose turn is it?
Yeah, it's my turn now. So I think the next one's pretty good. So, yeah, I'll take it. Your turn. No diffuses on the deck, ladies and... Well, that's just not right.
Draw 2. Draw 2. There goes his hairy legs.
Yes.
No! You go.
But what if I don't want to? It's your turn.
Nope, it's not.
I say yes.
Your turn.
Ooh, I don't trust that.
Do it.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, God. No, no.
Let me help you.
Why?
Shuffle. Please shuffle. Please shuffle.
Yeah, we shuffling.
Should we get Zach in here no matter what cards? Hi.
I can't.
Very nice.
Good, because that's my aunt.
Oh, here you go, it's a rainbow.
Oh, I thought that was an exploding kitten. I was like, oh, yeah, here you go.
Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be a very good game. Hey, can I get one of your cards?
Nice boots. What?
Can I get one of your cards? I'll use my Gatorade.
Pick. All right.
Okay.
Oh, you're shuffling. And
Watch, I'm gonna get myself out. I'm telling you now.
while he's shuffling, here's my hairy leg.
Now you gotta put them together.
While he's shuffling, we're gonna do a little bit of a soda review here, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice pop.
Pretty good.
It's working. It's working as an ice pack. All right, it's my turn already.
Oh. Wait, hold on.
Your tripod broke again.
Oh no, why should you break it?
You did?
No, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Fix the legs.
I'm trying. Oh yeah, you're right.
Push it back a little more. All right, baby. All right.
You know what Gatorade's for?
You want to know what I'm doing again, Rob? I want to know what I'm doing again since, oh wait, my turn passed. Your turn. Go on.
Hold on, I'm still fixing this.
Look away from your phone and me. Look away. Look away.
I'm looking.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got me this card. Yes, this card.
All right.
You really see the card deck? They do see the card deck.
Yeah, I have a pretty good angle here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off. The
Oh wait,
top.
we need this to sit up so they see what cards we throw in. That better? No.
No, it fell.
Tell me how it looks now. Let me get closer.
There we go.
There you go. That's better.
Yeah. All right, it's your turn.
Oh.
Not again.
You know what?
One of them on top. I'm gonna be mad.
Your turn.
I don't like how happy you were about that card.
I'm not trying to lose.
Hey.
No, I'm looking there. Shuffle. You're falling.
Yes.
Dang it. Know what?
Oh, come on. Oh, wait.
Please don't.